budget.
To the place, I spotted you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flat was on your face.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog! And today guys, ay papunta po kami ng Lakeview. Kaso, ang problema, umuulan outside. Ayun. Nakita ba? Ayan. Medyo umuulan siya ngayon guys. So, hindi ko alam kasi magte-tent naman kami. So, hanggang 4 PM pa yung ulan. So, sana tumigil na siya. Kasi ayoko naman nabasa yung... Though, water resistant naman yung ano namin, tent namin. Pero parang napaka-uncomfortable naman na ganito yung weather. Hindi masaya. Ano ba yarn? So, samahan nyo kami ngayon guys. Nakapagkarga na kami ng ibang gamit namin. Konti na lang yung hindi pa namin nakakarga. And mag-grocery pa kami kasi kailangan namin ng lettuce. And what else? Tubig. Yon. So, let's go!
What's it like inside your mind, my dear? And do you find it terrifying?
Struggle is real guys. May bike pa kami doon sa likod. Ayan po si sir. Electric pan ba kaming dala just in case mainit.
Pick up ng susunod.
Pick up ng susunod na sasakyan dapat. So guys, sumaan pa kami dito sa Walmart para bumili nitong canopy tent. Umuulan kasi sa Lakeview tapos sa Ida Grove umuulan dito. Umaambon. So sabi ko, though yung tent namin water resistant naman siya, kaso yung sa table namin walang something. Magsasamgyup kami ngayong gabi. Ang hirap naman. Tapos saan kami kakakain kung walang canopy? Kaya yun, bumili na kami. Buti na lang sale siya. $33 lang. Buti na lang talaga. We are now heading to Lakeview. 30 minutes na naman. Mahigit 40 minutes na naman. Sana makarating kami doon ng hindi na masyadong malakas ang ulan para naman hindi basa yung tent namin pag pinipitch namin.
You always let me know. You always let me go my way. You always let me know. You never let it show my deed. My only friend to the end.
Guys, so andito na po kami sa Lakeview. Andito na kami sa campground and nagpunta lang si Mac doon sa office registration just to let them know na nandito na kami. Tsaka kung saan yung spot na na-reserve ko. Alam ko kasi yung spot na na-reserve ko pero may mapa kasi yun Parang kami lang guys ang magte-tent. Lahat sila naka-camper. Mahal kasi ng camper. As in, mas mahal pa siya. Parang bahay na rin pag bibili ka kasi ng camper.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it.
kumukulo na. Paano to? Ay, agidap mo sis.
Elemental camping. Agita, awan na kita.
Uy, ang yabang. Ay,
Limit
shit.
tigas to. Kulkulong kayo matla dita. Kung nung nagtudo, naspaktan.
Gawitan.
Gawitan. Tilang ti biag dito yung Amerika.
Enjoy life.
Kabagyan kan ka. Kailian. Day off.
Something.
Camping, pasyar. Yun lang.
Ulam po tayo ngayon ng samgyup. Beef samgyup. Sabihin ko sana, pero hindi pala samgyupsal kasi ang beef eh. Hindi ko alam anong tawag na nga sa beef. Na-marinate ko na to. Kaya ready to eat na yan, sis.
Tayo guys, camping ng lang, low budget. Ay, mga kasama namin. Mga naka-campers kami, lang, tent.
Prepare na tayo guys for the samgyup. Ayan.
Kita yan.
Kapsutan man di hit na mahal to. Ongoing na po. Nagluluto na kami ng aming samgyup. And we got here mandu. And ano bang tawag yan? Celery. Ano? Romaine. Tapos yan, yung aming
I hope it's not obvious, my friends, they all caught it saying I end up falling for you. I'm doing my best to hide these feelings, confessing it's the last thing that I want to do. I know I can't be crushing on a girl who can't be here for long, so I told myself I should just stay away. But these lyrics keep coming out, I don't think I can stop it now. I wonder if they'll get to you one day. But I'll sing these words I'll never say, 'cause that's the only way for me to say those words. Just wait and see, they'll come for sure. Too shy to look you in your eyes, I swear that I'm not lying, 'cause I knew it's true from the first time we met. I'm so in love with everything you say and all the doodles that you post, and every time you sing a song the people crowd a little closer to you. I wish we were closer, we'll never be close. But I know I should be moving on, 'cause you won't be here for very long, and there's no way I could ever make you stay. But at least I'll write this song for you, 'cause I don't know what else I can do, and I'm hoping that for you it's okay. If I sing these words I'll never say, 'cause that's the only way for me to say those words. Just wait and see, they'll come for sure. Too shy to look you in your eyes, I swear that I'm not lying, 'cause I knew it's true from the first time we met. I'm so in love with time flies way too fast. I've tried to make it last, but you're flying out in a few more days. But you should know that my time with you was all that.
So, iniikot lang namin tong lake, guys. Ayan. Doon kami dito banda. Dito yung camp area namin. Pero dito, parang mga private na properties na dito banda. Ayan. Mga bahay-bahay na magaganda. Mga lake view. Ano talaga sila, houses. Tapos yung kasama ko po, pinipicturean po niya yung bike niya. Ayan.
I can be your third man doll, just a symptom you've forgotten. You slip me in your pocket, turn on the television now, set me in the corner now, and Technicolor's your bed. Oh, won't you hear me out? You're painting all my features and everything you needed. Don't put me on the shelf, no. I'd never find another. Don't ask me what my name means. I don't believe in that. Conversations one-sided, pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. Trouble speaking whenever you're around, and tell me what you wanna do.
Everyone, thank you so much for reaching this part of this vlog again. And mag-shoutout na naman po tayo. Shoutout lang po ako sa mga nag-comment po sa aking vlog na barbecue in the park. Ayan, kasama ko yung mga bagong dating dito ng mga nurses from Avant. Ayan. Hindi lang po dahil GHP ako, ay GHP lang po ang kasama ko. May mga kasama din po nating ibang Filipinos na galing sa ibang agency. Ayan. So happy that they are now here. And shout out kay Nomi Milante. Andito ka na naman, sis. Thank you so much for always watching. And then kay #Barbie. Pa-shoutout po next vlog please, John Barbano, currently working as SN in Caribbean and pursuing my US career soon. Yay! Thank you sa mga tips. Thank you so much for watching and sana maantay mo yung yung time na to ng videos kasi sobrang dami kong film na mga shoutout time hanggang sa makarating ako sa time na to. You know what I mean? Nag-one sit down lang ako para i-film lahat ng shoutout for all the videos. Ayan. And shout out again kay Ibrahim Hailil, ang suki po natin, kagaya ni Miss Cherry. It's me, Cherry. Ayan. And then, suki din po, Ronnie Caberto. Thank you so much everyone for commenting and for supporting the vlogs and for sharing the videos to your friends. Ayan. Sa mga silent viewers, comment din. Kahit puso lang. Sige naman. Isang puso lang dyan. Isang emoji naman. Sabi nyo lang, silent viewer. Ganun. O kaya yung maka-zip lang na emoji, ganun. Paki-comment naman. Yan, thank you so much everyone for supporting, ayan, and for sharing the videos. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is JoyOFMia. And I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye!
Afternoon sun starts to peek through the clouds. We take the back streets to avoid the crowds. Waltz over sidewalks and twirl in the breeze. She'll catch me if I get weak